In this video, I will show you how to earn rewards on Kraken. So first of all, open up your Kraken app and then go ahead and click on the initials at the top left from your home tab. And then you need to click on referrals. So go ahead and do this. And then you will see in here, give 20 euro and get 20 euro. And this works really simple. You will get 20 euro or dollar for you and every friend you invite. And you can earn up to 200 of this. And this is a maximum of 200, but it is of course really nice to earn this. And how do you do this? Well, it's really simple. What you need to do first is you need to invite friends through your personal referral link to get started. And then your friend joins and then he needs to trade around 100 euro. So first he needs to fund 100 euro or dollar. And then he also needs to make a trade with that amount within their first 30 days. And if your friend does that, you will get paid both together and you will both earn a 20 euro, dollar or pound bonus paid within 14 days. And if you want to get started, you simply need to click on copy referral link. Then you will copy it to your clipboard and then you can send it yourself. Or you can just go and click on invite friends and then share it with your friends directly. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.